I will show y'all the food. But yeah, I'm finna smash. This right here. That's the alcoholic free strawberry lemonade. Y'all think Brahms go hard? No.
Brahms do go hard when it comes to limeades. They limeades are unbeatable. Okay.
That's right. That's fast, that's fast. You too tired, I'm sorry. So, I'm trying to get you. Why am I already full?
You have eaten a lot of them brown things?
That's what I was missing right there. If you get it from, see, we in Dallas. If you get fried fish from Lisa's, Williams, any place, you know, fast food, this little piece right here,
it's all you gonna get.
Yeah, see, this little piece right here, it's just bread. But it's meat up in there. Any bad food place. Yes, sir. That got meat. That's fried fish. Man, that's what I was missing. We've been craving this for about how long?
Weeks?
Months, ages. But we got it. A day free from kid free. Well, yeah, kid free. Oh yeah. She's still with child.
Yeah, started. Hence the non-alcoholic beverage.
Yeah. You know, I might finna turn up tonight. You know? Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn y'all on. Fries and honey mustard. Boom. There you go. Sweet baby rays. I just blessed you down. If it's honey mustard and sweet baby rays, your fries are lightly drizzled boiled potatoes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We are eating the catfish platter at pappadeaux. We got 4 pieces of catfish so that we can share a plate because we don't be eating all our food.
Man, I'm saying.
And we got the mozzarella cheese bite for the appetizer. And
Good old water.
he wanted extra shrimp, or he wanted shrimp, so we got some shrimp too.
I'll let y'all know what the total is. Just, you know, people be eating with their eyes instead of, you know, with their minds. You know how much you're gonna eat. Granted, we probably didn't need extra fries, these mozzarella bites, and everything else. I think that's reasonable. You can split a plate. You know what I'm saying? You'll take something home anyway. So. I think that's being reasonable and wise. And still, you getting full. So what? Who cares if people looking at you, you eating, you sharing a plate? You eat.
It ain't like you broke, cause baby, you far from broke. I'm just saying, I'd rather spend my money
Wisely. Than eating it up.
Like, I got diapers to buy. $40 to buy.
Man, say that. Y'all, so my first time buying diapers is like I ain't gonna say my first time buying diapers. My first time having to need to buy diapers was a couple days ago. And granted, we have diapers, but you know, to have a plethora of some and not have to run out and be like, oh man, you know. Anyways,
Those calls are being made right now.
Okay, thank you.
anyways, yeah, so she said, mind you, I bought one, I think it was like 18 box of diapers, sleeve of diapers, 18 pack and 18 pack and I'm sorry. So anyway, I bought an 18 pack of some diapers and some wipes, two or what, 4 pack of wipes. Total was 26 and some change. Y'all, I damn near passed out. Okay. Now, granted, fellas, I ain't talking about it, but I'm talking about it. I'll say, and y'all fathers, some of them, be complaining about the little $85 that y'all do see for child support. That ain't nothing. I don't know how many pairs of diapers I go through a day now. Lord. It's insane. For real, it's insane. Cause the little dude, I hope y'all got that.
Man, it's so good. I want another one. I mean, it's only $1 for refills.
You see, that's what you gotta do though. To save money, you gotta act like you broke. You gotta act like you don't got it.
To be honest.
Because if you know you got it, it's gone. It's as good as gone.
Unless you just
It's spent. Soon as it get in your hand, it's spent.
I mean, of course we got those people, or not those people. We got people who will spend a check and get it right back
Hey,
later that night.
we all know
No
if you work
shade.
hard for your money. 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 an hour. 16, 17. I want to show y'all the wave. Y'all see it? Y'all see the wave? I'll show y'all next. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm full though. On me, I'm full. And you want some more fries? What you doing? You ain't telling never wrong. The way she chewing, y'all. See, that's alright. I know I keep talking right, but look, that's how you know your partner by the way that she chewing. She almost full.
I've been doing like this the whole time.
See, once you, I should be eating with a fork, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, he took my fork.
What you eat with a fork from?
I don't know. I guess, you know, being on TV, you gotta eat with a fork.
If you eat with your hands normally, eat with your hands.
I don't eat with my hands full.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all it had me for. I want to be like them when I grow up. Come here for the mozzarella bites at least. Well, mozzarella bites.
And fish. No, this is what he normally gets. We'll share the mozzarella bites.
Right, okay.
And then he'll get dirty rice with Yvette sauce. All the meat. Except for crawfish.
That's right. Okay. That's right.
And sometimes he get an extra side of dirty rice.
It be scrumptious. It be like, my stomach be like, I'll be so full. I'll be so full off $11 now, but they upped that now, so it's probably like $15, $16.
I do want extra fries though.
You do?
Because whenever we go home,
Yeah.
I want to heat it all up together in the oven.
Okay, hold on.
And have, you know, my
Your plate.
fries
Right.
with my fish.
I haven't had shrimp with cocktail sauce since I was like 12 years old.
And it's good, right?
It's good.
I don't know why. He always be making fun of me for the way that I eat. But then when he try it, he be like, oh.
That's real. That is real.
Oh, this is good.
That's real. Don't ask me why we sitting like this. Because we're sitting like this.
Because I love you.
Damn. That dude came out the bathroom, walked right past these people and just did like this. I don't know, like, but you know, it wasn't me.
To who?
Them people right here. You see how I'm doing that? See, y'all can't do that like I did that.
Wow.
Y'all can do like I did that.
Don't make no sense.
Everything's still okay?
Yeah.
See, he's the type to tell. And I got him too. I'm gonna leave it till. Or two with you. I'm full, yeah. I'm full. I don't think I can do it no more. She ate more than me.
No, because you gotta remember you had shrimp. Did you eat bread? No.
I ain't had no bread.
And you had a whole cup of water.
Two, yeah. So yeah, I think we're gonna end this now. Appreciate it. Wave to the people.
Hi.
Yeah.